Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I want to introduce you a big topic I really want to discuss in my next series of videos that I'll be producing and showing to you guys. And it's mostly about Visualforce pages. So we all guys know that Visualforce page is one of the UI framework by Salesforce, and it was launched in back 2008, right? We all know that Salesforce was introduced in 1999, but UI was only introduced after 9 years, right? By the team of Mark Benioff, the founder. And then Visualforce is basically UI, right? And then after that we have like Aura, and then after that we have lighting component with further enhancement. But we still have a lot of organizations that do use Visualforce pages, right? So to show you the actual example, and then maybe a difference between Visualforce and Lighting Web Components, which is the latest and greatest tool, UI framework by Salesforce, I will actually be showing you on this section. Here's an example, and you can see, like, for example, on this section, you can see how Visualforce looks in comparison to Lighting Web Components, right? So you can see the transition, correct? You probably are familiar with this components, which is LWC, correct? But we still want to know how Visualforce worked, and a lot of organizations, as I was mentioning, older, that are not still haven't moved to Lighting Web Components, are still utilizing Visualforce components. So here's another example, right? In this case, it's like an edit record. You have some input, and you have some sort of UI type of like a styling. You have a couple buttons that will be displayed here, comparing to this buttons you have, which has way better UI, right? And on the bottom section, you can see how you can create record, and then you have the input, and then this is how you will be creating a record on Lighting Web Components, right? So here's the basics. We also have, let's say if we go to account, to any account that I have in this org. Oh, that's what I was actually showing to you guys. Let's go to record rendering. Let's say here's the record rendering. On Lighting Web Components, you can see on the right section, right? Way better. Well, and here you have, which I really don't see the records, but UI you can obviously see it will be way worse. Correct. Here we have the error handling. The error handling you might have on Classic, right? We all know Classic is actually utilizing all Visualforce pages, and then here's the error handling by LWC. It's a huge difference, and then way better look, correct? Okay, let's see if we can actually try to do something. Test error message save. See, you have this error displaying on the top. Let's see here. See, save. So it's like a validation rule type of error. You will see a better look if you agree with me, right? So if you want to find more about these details and the look of Visualforce details, you just need to go directly to the Classic, and then everything is in Classic actually built with Visualforce pages, and you can see it's here, it's present here, right? Not the best UI, but still it's something that we were familiar before LWC was introduced. Anyways, let me go back to my PowerPoint and just basically tell you what you guys be expected to learn in my future upcoming series. And then here I'll be just talking about the control, like let's say patch, let's just skip this part, and then here I'll be just telling you how to create your first Visualforce page, right? In one of my video, we will have you can expose your Visualforce page through the new tab, or how you can put the Visualforce on the tab, right? We have exposing Visualforce page through the custom action on classic. We have an exposure of Visualforce page with lightning button. We will be displaying our Visualforce page on the home page, conditional expressions. We will be showing how to expose Visual to record page, pagination in Visualforce page, list rendering, which is very important, subject, standard controller list with list view, custom controller, and many more topics that we can discuss. But this is just, again, high level. I'll be attaching a documentation in the future so you can introduce and get to know more about Visualforce page. But this video and then this tutorial will definitely help you get to know, enhance your skills in Visualforce pages, understand how it works, and basically help you to maybe persuade your organization to switch from Visualforce pages to probably Lightning Web Component. Yeah, guys, stay up to date, keep in touch, follow my tutorials, and then I will definitely will be launching this very soon, and see you guys in my series. Thanks.